Welcome guys, let me show you the best way to choose volatility 75 index. Only two indicators is what you need, RSI and WPR. Now let me show you the indicator settings before we proceed. Go to function. Now click on the indicator. First of all, you locate the RSI. Now here is the RSI. Here's what RSI, then you click on it. This is the setting. The period is 14. Apply to weighted close. Then when you come to the style, the 2 pixel, now the color of the style should be the same as the background. Now come to the levels. The level is what? 50. Style is 4 pixel. Then choose color of your choice. You click done. You understand? Now the first indicator is WPR. You come here, click here. Now you scroll. Here is the WPR. This is the WPR. You understand? So you click on it. Now the period is 14. The period is 14. Style 3 pixel. Choose color of your choice. Come to the level -80 and -20. Do you understand? You click done. Now this is how the strategy works. Whenever you see the crossing, the WPR crosses the 50 line mark, do you understand? If it is from up down, that is a sell for you. Do you understand? Now if it is from down above, that is a buy for you. Do you understand? Now let's proceed. Now in this case, we have the crossing here. Do you understand? So this is what a sell signal. Watch it. This is what make your sell entry here, and this is a profit for you. Do you understand? Now let's proceed. Now here is another crossing here. Here's another crossing here from down up. So this is what a buy signal. Look at it. Look at the crossing here. Make your entry here. Do you understand? So this is what a profit for you, as easy as that. Do you understand? Now we proceed. Look here. This is another crossing from up down. There's another crossing here. So this is what a sell signal. Do you understand? You make your entry here. Look at it. Do you understand? So this is what a huge profit for you, as easy as that. Do you understand? So we proceed. This is another entry here. Look at it. Here's another entry. You make your buy here. You understand? This is a small profit for you. You're out of the market. Now look at it again. This is a sell signal. This is what a sell signal. Make your sell here. So this is what a huge profit for you. Do you understand? So here is another buy opportunity. Look at it. So you make your buy entry here. Make your buy entry here, and this is what a huge profit. So this is as easy as it is. Do you understand? This is what very, very profitable. Do you understand? So if you have any question, use the comment section. This is Optimal FS, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like my video, hit the subscribe button, share it so that others will benefit. Thank you.